Hello mga kabit, ito naman si Daddy Joe. This is episode 6 of our travel adventure here in Palawan. Okay, so the highlight of our trip is of course our trip to the Underground River. So the Underground River is one of the 7 wonders of the world. So this is my first time to go here and with my family, so it's a very memorable experience. Unlike any other trips that we had. So napakaganda, all nature and God created. Makita mo dito. So the Underground River stretches for around 8 kilometers, but the area that we traveled is only 1.5 kilometers deep. Okay, so we had to go through a boat or a bangka, and such a wonderful experience. So for those hindi pa naka-watch the previous videos, please watch previous videos. Subscribe, share, and like. Pandemic Habits TV. Bye.
Subscribe, share, and like to your friends.
Okay, dito tayo sa papuntang Underground River. Ayan. Okay, dito kailangan mag-boat pala papunta sa Underground River. Ayan, waiting area. Picture. Dito.
Ikukunin daw itong sabaw.
Okay, baba na kami papunta sa boat. Let's go. Min, akit mo yung pads mo.
Bawa ka pa kaskay.
Pangod.
Okay. Ma'am, hagdan mo, ma'am.
Wow, beautiful. Ang ganda. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. Me. Look at that. Ayan, nabasa eh. Ito me. Underground River.
Sir, sige, welcome picture po muna sir sa duty po.
Wow, ang ganda. Ganda that background. Underground River.
Nakarangan ba namin ma'am?
Hindi po, hindi po na ano ng street.
Kami papunta na kami Underground River sighting, mga kabis. Yay. Between all the stars. Ito yung mountain na ako. The monkey or Mactus. Wow. Look at that. Whew. Monkey. Okay. Ano yung monkey? Ano yung monkey? Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Look at that.
Mon, saan ko, Mon?
Look at me.
It's by 2 people for every room.
Look at that.
We're going to
Ganda.
underground river tour.
Look at that. Ganda.
Dapat punta talaga kayo.
Oh, look at that.
Amazing. God's creation. Ganun talaga ni God. Daddy, wag ka daw maapulit.
Nagda-drop.
Hello, survivors. Congratulations.
Your turn. Your turn.
Sino po yung mga survivor? Nag-enjoy po ba kayo?
Very much.
Enjoy your tour. Are you enjoy everyone? Well, thank you for coming, all of you, to the First Princess Underground River. Anyway, congratulations to Survivor. So we made it.
Gini nga. Bye bird. Gini nga. Wow. There's the light. Wow. Beautiful. Huh? Huh? Beautiful.
Survivor. Yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You survived. Kompleto pa kayo?
Yes.
Alam ko may bawas na. Ingatan mo yung mga yan, baka mabawasan.
Bawasan ng tenga. Kakagati lang ba?
Okay, so in our left side comes first.
Taga-Japan kayo, no?
Yeah.
Yung left nagiging right.
Hey mga kabis, goodbye na si Daddy Joe. Tapos na ating adventure dito sa Palawan. So, saan natin kapunta?